Okay. Exercise 2.2 relations and functions. That is question number 6. Simplify. That is the tan inverse of x divided by square root of a square minus x square. Now, solution. Okay. Solution. Take again question here. It is the tan inverse of x divided by square root of a square minus x square. Right. Put the see now. Put x is equals to, take here, x is equals to a sin theta now. X is equals to a sin theta. Then what is the theta here? Sin theta in sin theta is equals to what? X divided by a now. A into sin theta. Sin theta keep as it is into a divided by what? Into a becomes divided by ai. Then what is the theta here? Theta in sin inverse of what? X by a. Transfer here sin inverse of what? X by a. Then go for what here? Main question. That is the tan inverse of. Okay. Now tell me x meaning a sin theta. X is equals to what here? A sin theta. Take the denominator a square, keep as it is, minus x square meaning x square means a square sin square theta. Now a square sin square theta. Apply the square for both the terms here. It becomes a square sin square theta now. Okay. Then tan inverse into, okay, tan inverse into numerator keep as it is a into sin theta as it is now. Right. What is the common in denominator? A square common. Correct. Take it is a square common. Then what is the remaining? 1 will 2 minus a square outside. Again 1 minus sin square theta now. Right. Then tan inverse of it is a sin theta divided by square root here cancel. Take a outside. Only a square outside. Then it becomes what? A now. Remaining is 1 minus sin square theta. Then tan inverse of, see here, a get cancelled. What is it? It is sin theta divided by, already we know that identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. But this cos square theta keep as it is, it becomes 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Remove the transfer the square, it becomes what here? Square root now. In mandu square root of 1 minus sin square theta written as, that is replace 1 minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Take it is cos theta now. Then tan inverse of 1 sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta now. Tan inverse and tan get cancelled. That is theta. What is the meaning of theta here? That is sin inverse of x by a is the simplest form. Bye. Okay, take that is question number 7. Simplify. That is the tan inverse of, that is 3 a square x minus x cube divided by, that is a cube minus 3a x square is a given question here. Right. Put x is equals to as, that is a tan theta. X is equals to a tan theta. Then what is the tan theta? Tan theta not x divided by a. Cut x by a. Then what is the theta here? Tan inverse of what? X by a now. Okay. Stay ready. Then go for main question here. That is the tan inverse of. Okay. Now substitute here 3 as it is. A square as it is. X meaning you know a tan theta minus x cube meaning a cube tan cube theta. Got divided by a cube as it is right down here. A cube as it is minus this one 3a as it is into x mean x square meaning a square tan square theta now. Got. Then tan inverse of right below this one 3 as it is. See here a square into a cube. Got a cube minus a, okay, then get bit a cube, that is tan cube theta divided by, that is a cube as it is minus this one a square into a cube 3 a cube tan square theta now, right? Then tan inverse of what is the common in numerator as well as the denominator? A cube common. Take this A cube common here. Then remaining terms are what here? 3. Okay, this is tan theta ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. That is 3 A cube tan cube theta now. Only tan theta. Tan theta. Take A cube outside. Then what is the term there? 3 tan theta minus that is a tan cube theta divided by again A cube common here. What is the term? 1 minus 3 tan square theta now. Theta see now. A cube get cancel. That is the tan inverse of okay. What is the term? That is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. Okay. Tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Right? Then tan inverse of formula is already 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta formula. Tan 3 theta formula. That is a take this tan 3 theta now. Tan inverse and tan get cancelled. 3 theta. This one 3 as it is. What is the meaning of theta here? It is the tan inverse of x by a is the simplest form. Right. Right. Question number 8. Find the value of tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sin inverse of that is 1 by 2 now. Take again question here, that is the tan inverse of they are given 2 cos of sin inverse of it is 1 by 2. We have to convert value, right? They are given sin inverse value. Sin inverse. See here, what is the range of sin inverse is in the closed interval minus pi by 2 to that is plus pi by 2 now, meaning that range is lies in first quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. That is a fourth quadrant now. Fourth quadrant. This range na irಬೇಕು answer. But itan okay illande ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು pi minus that value ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay. That is tan inverse of see here 2 cos of 2 sin inverse of here ಬಿಡ್ರಿ 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2 meaning how many degree 30 degree 30 degree meaning 10 meaning radian 5 by 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಈಗ see here ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಗ sin inverse of 1 by 2 answer is how many radian 5 by 6 radian now. Replace the value this term and take value that is 5 by 6 here. Pi divided by 6. Okay. 2 1s are 2 3s are cut up. Then tan inverse of 2 cos of pi divided by ಎಷ್ಟು 3 now. Okay. Then tan inverse of 2 cos of what is the cos pi by 3? Pi by 3 meaning how many degree? 60 degree. Cos 60 1 by 2 cut up. Take this 1 by 2 value here. This one 2 as it is. The cos of pi by 3 value that is 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. What is the term here? Tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 meaning how many radian? That is 5 by 4. That is 45 degree now. Okay. Cut up. Right. Question number 9. Find the value of tan of here. Tan of 1 by 2 into that is the sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus of x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square divided by that is 1 plus of what here y square. Find we have to find what value for the given question now. It's the two value question now. But easy neda but ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Property net ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. We know that paper ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು. We know that see here sin inverse of that is 2x divided by 1 plus of x square 1 ಬರ್ಸಿನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು that is cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Then what is the answer here? That is 2 tan theta. That is 2 tan x now 2 tan x and it is 2 tan x now. These are the two properties. This protein. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ sin 2 theta sin मतलब sin 2 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 tan theta / 1 plus tan square theta. Same as this cos 2 theta formula 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It terms becomes what 2 tan x. It is 2 tan x. So simple ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Alternate ways ಅಲ್ಲತ್ತೆ ನಾವು. Right? These are the what is two inverse trigonometric properties here. Okay. Then take directly property now. That one tan of 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2x to the 1 plus x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? 2 tan inverse x plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square to the 1 plus y square meaning 2 tan inverse y to do. It is not x here. Have to take y. Right? Then tan of 1 by 2 as it is into what is the common in both the terms? 2 common. 2 common. ಉಳಿತೇನು? Tan inverse x plus of what here? Tan inverse y. Correct? Then 2 get cancelled. ಏನು ಬಂತು? Tan of tan inverse x plus that is tan inverse y. Right? We know that tan of okay. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಬಂತು tan inverse x plus tan inverse y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? We know that see here. We know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y property na ಏನು? Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y now. Correct? Apply the property for the in bracket terms. Then it becomes tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y property. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y now. Tan inverse and tan here get cancelled. That is x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y is the answer now. Right, question number 10. Find the value of that is sin inverse of sin that is 2 pi by 3 now. 2 pi by 3. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ MCQ or maybe ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3 now. Before that we have to take what here that is the sin inverse range ಬರ್ಬೇಡ. Take it is the sin inverse range is what is the range? Close interval minus pi by 2 to that is the plus pi by 2 now. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 now. Right? Question mistake there no. Okay. Cut off. See here. That is sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3 here. Sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3 now. Okay. Now tell me 2 pi by 3 meaning how many degree? See here. Hey. 2 pi by 3 meaning how many degree? 2 into 60 is how many degree? 120 degree. Correct? 120 120 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 now. Correct? Sin of 120 degree can be written as 180 meaning pi. 60 meaning pi by 3. Pi by 3 now. Pi by 3. Clear? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 3 into pi 3 pi minus 1 pi. That is 2 pi by 3 now. Right? We know that what is the sign of 180 minus theta? What is the sign of 180 minus theta? Plus sin theta. Because 180 meaning 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the sign is positive. So therefore, sign of 180 minus theta that is plus sin theta. Then sin inverse of that is sign of pi minus pi by 3 meaning answer pi by 3 now. Sin of pi minus pi by 3 becomes sin pi by 3. 180 minus theta. Theta meaning pi by 3. Pi by 3 now. Okay. Then is it pi by 3 value ಬರೋಣ. Take this sin inverse of sin pi by 3 value. Exact value ಬೇಕಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? How to find out here? Exact value now. Or maybe cancel ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now take this ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಡೆದು? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದು? 5 minus pi by 3 ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗ ಸಿ ನಾವು 2 into 60 it becomes what here 120 now what is the sine inverse range here first quadrant and fourth quadrant ittu but in 120 degree meaning it goes on which quadrant here 120 meaning that is second quadrant ಇರೋದು second quadrant ನಡೆದಿ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi minus theta ತಗೊಂಡ simplify this one sin inverse sin get cancel what is the answer now pi by 3 ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ is it the pi by 3 is lies in the given range okay ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಿದ್ದು first quadrant number so therefore the value is for the given question is what that is pi by 3 is belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to what here that is a plus pi by 2 is the answer now okay right now question number 11 find the value of that is tan inverse of that is tan of 3 pi by 4 is the question here right before that write down what is the tan inverse range tan inverse range is open interval minus pi by 2 to that is plus pi by 2 now meaning that is which quadrants here first and second quadrant only first and second quadrant only but here minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2 are not meaning excluding right is it the given value is inside the range check ಮಾಡೋಣ 3 pi by 4 meaning how many degree by 3 into pi by 4 45 becomes how many degree here 135 degree 135 degree it is outside the range check ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಸೀದಾ second quadrant ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ actually second quadrant ಗೆ how to take inside the range ತರಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತಾ then tan inverse of that is tan of ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ right see here 135 now 135 degree ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಮು 180 minus 45 180 minus 45 135 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ see now 180 ಬರೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin of that is tan of 180 minus theta what is the answer 180 minus theta second quadrant tan ಏನದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta here right now take 135 degree can be written as 135 degree can be written as 180 minus 45 clear adra clear ಆಯ್ತು right 180 minus 45 becomes 3 pi by 4 only now ವಾಪಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ 4 into pi 4 pi minus 1 pi it is 3 pi now right now it is tan inverse of tan of ಹೇಳ್ರಣ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta here minus tan theta ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಮು minus tan theta meaning pi by 4 now right tan of 180 minus theta minus tan is theta now right then tan inverse of ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ tan inverse of minus theta is equals to what minus tan theta negative angles tan inverse of minus theta minus tan theta see now this minus tan theta ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಮು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಮು minus tan theta can be written as tan of minus theta meaning minus pi by 4 now tan and tan inverse get cancelled minus pi by 4 now minus pi by 4 meaning how many degree minus 45 degree 45 degree ಬಂತು minus 45 this comes in what here inside the range that is first quadrant now sorry fourth quadrant minus 45 na that is minus 45 is what lies in that is a fourth quadrant now so therefore minus pi by 4 is belongs to tan range minus pi by 2 to open interval minus pi by 2 to that is a plus pi by 2 is a answer now right take that is question number 12 find the value of that is tan of sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2 now okay take properties here property net ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ that is cot inverse of 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ cot of 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse of x. Clear na? Think load. Sin inverse of 1 by x, cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse of 1 by x, sin inverse x. Tan inverse of 1 by x, cot inverse x. Cot inverse of 1 by x, tan inverse x. Secant inverse of 1 by x, cosec inverse cos inverse x. Cos inverse of 1 by x, secant inverse of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Take a kilo. Tan of that is the sine inverse of 3 by 5 keep as it is into now. Cot inverse of 1 by x can be written as a tan inverse x, meaning that is how to take reciprocal of that value. Okay, 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3 ಆಯ್ತು, automatically ಏನಾಯ್ತು tan inverse x ಆಯ್ತು. Clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? tan inverse now. Cot inverse reciprocal that it becomes what here tan inverse. Reverse ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. ಅವಾಗ automatically the functions are what here changes now. Right? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಹೇಳು? tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ sin inverse x plus cot inverse y. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು tan ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now it becomes what here tan inverse y. Clear ಅದ? ಬಟ್ ಇದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, this one is not in a tan inverse form, it is a sin inverse form. Okay, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. See here, now take it is a right angle triangle. Okay, sin inverse of 3 by 5. What is the sin theta ratio? And the sides are opposite by hypotenuse. Right? It is opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Then what is the adjacent? ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 5 square it is 3 square. 5 square minus 5 square 25, 3 square 9. 25 minus 9 16. Root 16 it is a 4 bar. Right? See now that is a tan of ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಮು, replace the sin inverse and take tan now. Okay, tan inverse here because ನನ್ನ property tan matter ದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ. Right? Replace sin inverse and take it is a tan inverse now. What is the tan inverse sides ratios? Opposite by adjacent. 3 by 4 now. Right? This 3 by 4 plus of what here? Tan inverse of it is 2 by 3 now. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು because here now it is possible to apply the what here property. It is tan inverse x, it is a tan inverse y now. Right? What is the property? We know that. What is the property? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y property ಏನದ? Tan of x plus y divided by 1 minus of what? X into y now. Right? Then tan as it is that is the tan as it is okay, the tan inverse ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು tan inverse ಅದ. Okay, it is a tan inverse here. Okay, tan inverse of ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋ x and plus y. This x it is y now. Correct? X meaning 3 by 4 plus y meaning 2 by 3 whole divided by 1 minus x into y. 1 minus 3 by 4 x into 2 by 3. You know 2 by 3 is y now. Correct? That is 1 x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y now. Then tan of that is the tan inverse of solve this one. 4 and 3 LCM 12. It is multiplied by 3 times. It is multiplied by 4 times. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 4s are 8. 4 divided by 1 minus 2 3s are 6. Cancel over. 4 3s are 12. Right? It becomes what here? 6 by 12 now. Cancel over. Tan of that is the tan inverse of okay. 9 plus 8 17. 17 divided by 12. 4 divided by 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6 6 minus 6 sorry 12 1s are 12. 12 minus 6 that is 6 now. 6 divided by 12 now. Correct? Here cancel 12 and 12 now. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾವೆ. Right? Cancel 12 and 12 then becomes what here tan of that is the tan inverse of what value 17 by that is a 6 now. 17 by 6 tan and tan inverse get cancel. It is the 17 by 6 is the value. Right? Okay, take up question number 13. Find the value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. They are given four options here. That is option A is 7 pi by 6. Option B is 5 pi by 6. Option C is that is pi by 3. Option D is that is pi by 6. Now these are the what options here, right? Take question. Solution cos inverse of that is 7 pi by 6. Now 7 pi by 6. But right before that we have to check what is the cos inverse range. Now मतलब clear doubt clear ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos inverse range is what closed interval 0 to pi. Now closed interval 0 to pi meaning the range is first and second quadrant. Now ಈ range ನಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸರ್, right? Is it the 7 pi by 6 is inside the range? ನಂಗೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, see now 7 pi by 6 ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. 7 into pi by 6 meaning how many degree? 30 degree. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 3 7s are 21 degree. ಏನು ತೆಗೆದು outside the range ತೆಗೆದು. It is lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Outside the range. Outside the range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ? pi minus theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now it is not possible to pi minus theta because it is a more than 180 degree matter ಆಯ್ತು. need to load that is 180 minus theta ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 210 ನಾಗ 180 minus theta ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 180 210 is more than 180 or less than 180? more than 180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 180 minus ಏನು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? we have to take one complete revolution. now it is pi, take it is one complete revolution. it is what 2 pi. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ? take it is using the what by using the 2 pi, right? see here cos inverse of 2 pi ಅಂತ 2 pi minus divided by what here 6 now, right? 2 pi minus divided by it is 6 here. okay, see here 7 pi by 6 meaning how many degree ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 210 degree. 210 degree 210 degree ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. 360 degree minus 150 degree it becomes what here 210 degree only na 360 minus 150 it becomes 210 degree only. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೀಗಿಲ್ಲ. see here 6 2s 2 value ಇದೇನದ 7 pi ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡುವ 12 pi minus that is 5 pi. 12 minus 5 pi it becomes what here same again that is 7 pi by 6 only. see now 6 2s 12 pi. 12 pi minus 5 pi 7 pi by 6 add. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ದ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 360 degree minus 5 pi by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 5 by 6 meaning 30. 35 is 150 degree now. 35 is 150 degree now, right? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂತಿಗೆ. that is what here cos of 180 minus theta, sorry 360 now. cos of 360 minus theta. 360 meaning 2 pi. Correct? now take this 360 minus theta meaning it is which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. in a fourth quadrant the cos is positive or negative? Positive. the functions are changes or not changes now. Correct? cos of 360 minus theta plus cos theta plus cos theta. so therefore cos inverse of 2 pi minus theta, cos of 360 minus theta, cos theta. Theta meaning 5 pi by 6 here. Cos and cos inverse get cancelled. That is 5 pi by 6. Is it the cos pi by 6? That is 5 pi by 6 is belongs to that range. Check ಮಾಡಿ. 5 by 6 30 degree. 35 is 150. 200 degree ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ ಅದು? 200 degree ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 150 degree ಬಂತು. 150 degree ಬಂತು. So therefore it is inside the range. 5 pi by 6 is belongs to that is 0 to pi is the answer now. Okay. Right. Right. Question number 14. Find the value of that is the sine of pi by 3 minus that is the sine inverse of that is minus 1 by 2 now, right? This is question now. They are given 4 options now. Take what is the sine inverse range? What is the sine inverse range? Sine inverse range is what? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 now. That is which quadrants now? Plus first quadrant and fourth quadrant answer. Okay. Then that is sine inverse sine of pi by 3 minus that is sine inverse of minus again. 1 by 2 is in which how many degree? 30 degree. 30 degree in radian pi by 6 also. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು? Pi by 6 ಆಯ್ತು. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಮು. It is how? What? Which pi by 6? Plus pi by 6 or minus pi by 6 or? Minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6 meaning how many degree? Minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree is inside the range or outside the range? Inside the range. ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ range ಒಳಗೆ ಅದಾವು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So therefore take directly here it is a sine of pi by 3 minus right below ಏನು ಬಂತಿದ್ರು it is minus pi by 6 is what angle now minus pi by 6 ಬರೆಯಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರ see now minus pi by 6 is belongs to minus pi by 2 to what plus pi by 2 now so therefore the value is minus pi by 6 here that is sine of pi by 3 as it is minus into minus plus it is pi by 6 now see now that is sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6 what is the value here pi by 2 now pi by 2 yaka pi by 3 meaning 30 degree sorry 60 degree 60 degree pi by 6 meaning 30 degree 60 plus 30 that is 90 90 and remember pi by 2 ಬರೀತೀವಿ pi by 2 now is equals to what is the sin 90 degree or maybe sin pi by 2 sin pi by 2 is the value that is 1 now so therefore go for what here that is the option D is the correct answer now okay take the last question that is question number 15 find the value of what tan inverse of root 3 minus plus cot inverse of that is minus root 3 now there are given 4 options now okay we know that the properties are that is cot of minus theta is equals to aleno barsini pi minus cot theta correct cot inverse of minus theta is equals to cot inverse of minus theta is equals to pi minus cot theta is a property right the three trigonometric functions are negative that outside the range then we have to write down the pi minus that is the cot of what theta here cot of theta maybe roman number 2 property roman number 2 daga right see here cot inverse of minus theta is equals to pi minus cot theta hinge da cot inverse theta right cot inverse theta here right solution tan inverse as it is into root 3 as it is now plus here the cot is negative adding cot negative cot inverse function is negative cos inverse function is negative hang idondra ಏನು ಇರ್ತದ out of the range ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ so therefore take pi minus that value ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ same apply the property here it becomes what here cot inverse of minus theta ne adha 100% cot inverse of minus theta ne okay cot inverse of minus theta can be written as pi minus cot inverse x बराबर थीटा pi minus cot inverse theta theta meaning ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ root 3 now it is a root 3 now right then tan inverse of root 3 okay plus pi as it is right miss agade one problem minus okay write down this one this what here it is a minus root 3 now minus root 3 ತಪ್ಪದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ನೋಡಿ Right, question number 15. Change the sign here. The tan inverse root 3 and minus cot inverse of minus root 3 they are given. It is not a positive. Take it as a negative now. Take it as a negative here. It is also what a negative now. Right? Negative. Tan inverse of root 3 minus apply the property, it becomes what a pi minus cot inverse of that is theta, meaning root 3 now. Root 3, right? The cot inverse of minus theta is equals to pi minus cot inverse of theta now. Apply the what property, e property in the e property bande, right? Then tan inverse of root 3 as it is okay, minus into plus minus pi minus into minus plus cot inverse of that is root 3 now. Okay, take up that inverse functions one side here. Tan inverse of root 3 plus cot inverse of root 3. Apply down the pi is last now. Hello, one meaning, right? Okay. Again, sunna barkodu kundu again. Tan inverse of root 3. What is the value? Is it inside the range? Outside the range? Matta cot inverse root 3 inside the range, outside the range. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಂದ್ರ ಜरूರತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Again, the another property is what? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x derivations ಮಾಡ್ಸಿನ. What is the answer? Pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x answer. Pi by 2. Okay. Next sin of cos, tan cos. Next secant inverse x plus cosec inverse x properties. Pi by 2 now. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಂದ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ನಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್, ಆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ here by the help of the what, take the help of the properties now. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equals to what? Pi by 2 now. You have to check the x values is same or different now. You know, root 3 is same. Now it is possible to apply the what? That property now. Okay. We know that the property is tan inverse x plus of what? Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equals to pi by 2 is a property now. Okay. See here, tan inverse of root 3 plus cot inverse of root 3. Entire answer becomes what? Pi by 2 only. Pi by 2 ne aako. Minus the remaining in value pi. Correct? See here, pi by 2 meaning 90, pi meaning 180. 90 minus 180 minus 90. Minus 90 meaning minus pi by 2 is the answer now. That is option D is the correct answer. That is minus pi by 2. Okay. Now the exercise 2.2 is completed, and again and also inverse trigonometric function topic is completed. Thank you.